Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So it's time for a multi-game card from our friends from China. So if you don't know what it is, what a multi-card is, or you've never seen this before, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because become one of the Wicked family and hit the little bell, because you get update of new videos, new Wicked content. So let's talk about this multi-game card from the brand You Swallow. Yes, how creative are you? Because choosing a name like this. So we're going to swallow it. Even if it's crap, you're going to swallow it, you know. Okay, I can think a lot of things, but let's focus on the multi-game card. So this is the, let's say the do I say this correctly? NTCS? Yeah, I'm sometimes messing that up, that part. But it's an American style multi-game card. A lot of versions out there. We have in the PAL and the American version, but of course it depends what the region you live. Pretty cool. They're releasing this card in this transparent blue shell. If you're curious, are we going to get some save function because there is no battery inside? I have seen some save function without the battery. So the sticker, the decal itself, it's not bad at all. It looks pretty nice. So if you're a collector and you really like nice labels, this is something you will enjoy, that you will be happy about. So this is what you're going to get, people. Yes, let's play some games. Let's put it in my Retro 3 Plus and play it on PAL. Yes, a little bit slower. Sorry guys, I'm still working on getting a new system for this problem. And let's go! Woohoo! Alright, so what are we going to get today? Let's grab my controller. 143 games. So big collection. Let's take a close look at the list. Animaniacs, a lot of games. Oh, Arcade's Greatest Hits, cool. That is something you don't see very often. Yeah, I still keep saying it every video, but it's true. Bob, really cool. Love Bob. Battletoad and Double Dragon. Ooh, very cool game. Let's see, we have Contra, Clue, okay. Captain Commando. Wow. Okay, people. Do you know that I sometimes say they always need to mess something up? This is the moment. Controller test cartridge. Why in the love of God do you want to put this number 21 controller test cartridge on it? It's a multi-game card for freaking games. There's a striker back, that is really cool. Anyway, we can have Zero again. I see some familiar games, for example, Fatal Fury. Ooh, Final Fantasy. Frogger. Yeah. How can I go to the next page? Okay, just do it like this. Good Troop Gods. There are 2 Kirby games on it. Okay. Ooh. 2 Zelda games. Lufia. Ooh. There are a lot of good games on this thing. So if this thing can basically save them all, that will make this, beside the controller testing, a very good card. Simpsons. Oh. Did they do it? Super Soccer. I don't like a soccer game, but that one is really cool. It's a classic one. Super Star Wars. Yeah, okay. Tiny Toons. WWF. That's something the first time I've seen this on a multi-game card. Just Safari. So yeah, there's no Mario game on it, no Dr. Mario, so they are not super naughty. Wario Woods is on it. Alright, so let's play some games, let's see how they run. But first, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to test my controller. Yeah, because I like it. Because it's just on this thing. Let's see. Oh yeah, up, left, down, right. Oh yeah, select start. B, A, X. Yeah. Press key. Yeah. The sound effect a little bit differently with the Mega Drive I'm used to, because I grew up with the Mega Drive back in the day. Yes, I am a Mega Drive fanboy. But still I can appreciate this. I love Super NES. the sound effects of this game. Well, I can't hear it anymore, but they're pretty funny. You're good. Let's crank up the volume. Oh yeah, here it comes. Alright, enough. Let's start the game. I never understood this game, by the way. I'm guessing you need to enter the doors and playing stages like previous models. Or models, I mean games. This sounds like really cool. I found this soundtrack so cool. Also the soundtrack. Oh, I play this game so much. I love this game. Alright, then the normal bullets. Let's attack the fools. Let's kill them all. Yes. Here comes the chopper. Turn around, we need to kill him. He is dead now. You eat a rocket. I am the almighty chopper. Ooh, heavy rocket, cool. Alright, so let's do the test. I created a save file. Look at this. Okay, yes, check it. Now I'm going to reboot the system, put it off, put it on, and let's see what happens. Alright, after reset, as you can see, the second save file is still here, so the save function works. Now we're going to try something else. We're going to try the other game that was also on the homebrew game or whatsoever. Let's see if it has the same save file, because sometimes they have this shared save file function. Pretty weird, but it happens. Yeah. So, never mind the other Zelda. I was thinking it was the second Zelda on that web. Okay. It was a totally different game. But the save function works with the other Zelda, and so that means you can save your games on this thing without a battery. So, and I'm not a big fan of the battery, because most of the time I have noticed that are broken when they receive the cartridges, or they going dead by, let's say, a couple of months. So I'm very happy that they released this save function on a chip. Alright guys, so we're done with this video. I can do a lot of gameplay if you want, but that makes this video 30 minutes and I don't see the point at it. It's just for testing out what are we going to get. So the U-Swallow cartridge, at first I was thinking, oh man, no save function, but I'm thinking this more new generation that you know don't need a battery and you just save your games. We tested out with Zelda and it works. That is just amazing. That is, save function works, and we have a lot of save function needed with other games too. So in overall, the U-Swallow card got a very unique and great collection, and they are pretty damn naughty with putting some games on it. And yeah, the naughty card from our friends from China. Let me know what you think of this. I think it's a pretty decent card. I really love the blue transparent. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel, because we have a lot of stuff going on there. See you next time. Bye bye. Let's play some games. See you next time.